You can use Blitzit Web on any device, but just simply with the web browser by going to the website. But sometimes it's a lot better to actually install it on your phone. You can do that to any Windows or Android based device. All you need to do, you can search for it in the Play Store, or even better, you go to Chrome and you go to the website. So let's type in www.blitzitweb.com.au and push the go button. It just loads up, takes us to the website, and you can see that at the bottom there's this little pop-up that's shown, and it gives us the option to install. If that pop-up doesn't show, then you can always go to the menu and push install app. You can see it, 4 items from the bottom. Let's just push the blue install button at the bottom of the screen. You can see it's adding Blitzit Web. Now this will take a few moments. Now it's the best option is really to download it from the website rather than going to the Play Store, because there's a little bit more screen space, and yeah, it works a little bit smoother. So if we just pull down the menu, we can see that the bottom one, Blitzit Web, it has been added to the home screen. So if we go back to our home screen and have a look around, go to our menu, we can see that Blitzit Web has been installed there. And if we open it up, just like any application icon, it will take us to the Blitzit Web application. There we are. That's how to install Blitzit Web on Android devices.